Umuahia House representative requests for Nnamdi Kanu unconditional release and urged Nigeria to go straight and release Nnamdi Kanu to return peace in Southeast. One of our brother wey they call Emeka from Imo State, from Mbise in Venice City, Italy, need a medical urgent attention for going insane. So we are putting out the video for you to help us and locate his family. If the family have already located, may God be the glory. Hello my wonderful people, welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today is the first time you are coming across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. If you know say you never subscribe to this channel, may you rush now, go subscribe and also share this video, because today's video we urge everyone to share, very important, so that this our brother whether they call Emeka in family go see him, know how they go take carry and come back. Let's go and look into the Ogbonge news where we get for hand today. No be small thing. They say one of the House representative where they represent Umuahia don't come outside talk. Say may they release him brother will be Nnamdi Kanu in order way to restore peace in Southeast. And we will play you the video, may you watch, and before we come back and continue, because it get very matter one talk here today concerning our brother whether they call Emeka. However, more watch the video concerning the Umuahia representative demand the release of Nnamdi Kanu.
Enjoys equal opportunity and rights, irrespective of tribe, political, or religious orientation, through adherence to the rule of law and respect for judgment of courts of competent jurisdiction. Respectfully, I make particular reference to our continued plea and demand for the unconditional release of my constituent, Nnamdi Kanu, from unlawful detention in compliance with the extant judicial pronouncements. Clearly, his release will help in reducing crime and criminality, banditry and assassinations, and kidnapping prevalent in the Southeast, thereby fostering a revitalization of the dwindling economy of the region and a peaceful return to normalcy. As the Holy Bible admonishes us in Romans 14:19, let us therefore make every effort to do what leads to peace and mutual edification. Congratulations again to Nigeria and happy Independence Day. Honorable Obi Agocha, member representing Ikuano, Umuahia North, Umuahia South Federal Constituency.
Welcome back my people. As you have watched that video, no be smart, and I don't hear them. Everybody don't talk. Say may they leave this man mean going on. Leave Nnamdi Kanu alone. The man did nothing wrong. So that because the love where the people get for him is too much. But to the federal government, no want peace to return to Southeast. They keep on holding this man. In Igbo others, they say Nnamdi Kanu will be free. That is the prayer of all Biafra, millions of Biafra over there. Let's go and look into that. Our brother will be say, would they get the information? Say as we they talk, say like say the guy don't they colo, or he get something where they worry and where nobody know. He said they for the city of Venice and him from Imo State, from Mbise precisely. So according to the video, so we are going to show you the video, the check. If you know anybody like this called Emeka, and you can look a way to locate his family, to begin to make contact immediately so that they will rescue him.
Now, good morning, my people. This video is this one for Venice Ministry for Italy. This guy na Ipu guy, he name na Emeka from Imo State, EBC. I beg my people, Emeka need help. You don't even know why I did do on this video, because I was not okay with the situation and the condition when it did. I did pass when I see people they look calm. I did hate to see my fellow Nigeria they go through a lot for this country. They till they pay me. I need to call down for try and go where it did. Ask people say why the guy they sleep for here, why he not go house go sleep. They say no get where this thing now here they for this year if you want see her. Then I say why Igbo people no do something about her? They say they don't know. Say the guy was okay before. Now when he take go France, come back, he can't be like this. Only God know what happen to her for France. The reason why I not cover his face in case of anybody when know or if family people, Mona share this video, may reach their hand. And make her see the talk because I wake her, I follow her talk. I try do an interview. He say no, you know what do social media. I say, bros, you need help. Your enemy is dying. I go video you. I need to post you. Make people for free help you. I beg my brothers and sisters. Mona call help Emeka. I beg.
Yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back. As you don't watch that video, this now waiting the apple for Venezia for Italy, and they get so many Igbo guys. This is what I want to talk now. Listen very well. If you are a young man, you are living another man country. Listen very well. Depression has become maybe the thing of the day to everyone's life in an outside country. If you are married, either is coming from your marriage, or if you are single, is coming from your financial status. Then the best thing you will do for yourself is you go add a drug addicted on it again. Once you started taking drugs, you are finally killing yourself. Hard drugs. So many Igbos are currently mad. This is not who we are. This is not what they know Igbos as. You forget the money you go to make and start every time you are rapping, you are doing the next thing, you drag yourself to madness. I'm not concluding of what is happening, what the condition of this our brother, but I'm just telling you that many that will know, especially in Italy, Igbo guys that are going mental because of what they are taking. This is too much. You have to take caution. If you come to make money, my brother, make your money and go. Here is not your land. Make the money and go your land. Don't keep your people. Don't give your people high BP and all the others because what they are thinking of you. So please share this video so that the family of this our brother will locate him and check what is wrong with this our brother. So we have done our part to bring it up. So we're on part also is to share it. Let's go and look into the next Ogbenge news where we'll get for hand today. No be smart, you know. They say Akperepata don't take over France as we they talk. Things are really happening. They say for France now, that's what they call baseball. We say they call them Akpere. They call them Akperepata. Say the thing don't take over France. This is happening both in train station or in people's house, everywhere, every corner of the place. You don't take over. We'll go play the video, maybe watch what we they talk about, and we'll come back and continue as well. The information reaching us now is that the bed ball, which is is taking over France as we they talk right now. So this is what the France government are battling with. You know, so many things are happening all over the world. The flood, the earthquake, the wave. So many things are happening. This is a very heavy sign. Is it our world? Is it coming closer to end or what? Nobody knows. Everybody is asking this question. The current video trending now is that people disappearing from bus, from hospital, from mall, from the road, anywhere, and people are appearing. Street camera catching people who are appearing inside. So what is really happening? Nobody knows. But what we know is that this world, I know that one day it will surely come to an end. So whatever you are doing, be careful and prepare yourself. That is the only thing that I got to tell you. Regarding the release of Nnamdi, he must regain his freedom. And also don't forget to share this video of this our brother so that people go see him. Thank you for watching. We'll see you for the next update.